Hello everybody, it's Dr. Crad, and today I have a wonderful patient with me. She's very generous and is willing to share her experience with her vision. And the unique thing is that she has two different lens implants in her eyes. She came for a refractive lens exchange, so she was myopic. She could read before surgery, and then we did the first eye. And we implanted a lens implant called the PanOptix PRO in the right eye. After your first eye was done, you felt that, which one was clearer, the reading or the far vision?
The reading was clear, far vision not.
Okay, so the far vision wasn't as clear. The near was okay. So that's with the PanOptix Pro after the right eye was done. And so before we did the left eye, we thought, should we put the same lens implant? Because she was right on, pretty much right on target with her refraction. And so I thought it was potentially that the lens implant was just not the best for her far vision. So I didn't want to necessarily put the same lens implant in your left eye. And so we considered different lenses: light adjustable lens, NV multifocal lens, clear view 3 lens. And we decided, because she felt her reading was good in her right eye, that we would put the NV lens in her left eye. And so that's what we did. So we put the PanOptix Pro in the right eye and NV lens in the left eye. How would you compare your second eye compared to your first eye?
After the second surgery, perfect.
Okay,
Yeah.
so after the second surgery, are your eyes working well together?
Yeah.
Okay, how would you compare the far vision between the two? Is the one better than the other?
It was much better after the surgery, the far.
Okay, so the left one, the far vision, is better than your right eye. Okay, and how about the reading vision?
Reading is good now too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you notice a difference between your two eyes, or are they about the same?
But the same.
About the same. Okay, so I'm going to do a comparison with one of my lights here. And so I want to shine this light for her. I'm going to turn off the room lights first. So there's going to be this light, and I want to compare how the lights look to you. So use this first.
Okay.
Okay, turn this off. And I'm going to shine this light. Look towards this light in my hand. See this light in my hand? With this light, do you see any halos or rings or anything like that?
Like a star.
Like a star, okay. Do you see any circles or rings? A little bit of rings or halos, or?
No.
Not really.
No.
Okay, now we're going to flip that to the other side. We're going to compare it. How about on this side?
It's only one light and a little bit something around.
Okay, a little bit something ring around it.
Yeah.
Is one better than the other? Is your vision at this light, is it better quality with your left eye or your right eye? Like if you flip back and forth, which one is better for you?
This one is, the point is clearer.
Okay, so this one is better on this left side. Okay. Is either of them bad? Like, is your right eye, is it bad? Or how would you describe your other eye if you flip?
No, it's not. It's not bad. The other one is a little bit clearer, and on the other one I don't see the lights around.
Okay, got it. All right, cool, thank you. I'm gonna turn on the lights now. All right. So in summary, we have a comparison of both lens implants. We know that there's advantages and disadvantages with every lens implant. There's no perfect lens implant. And it is okay if you perform surgery with one lens implant, and if you find that there's a weakness in vision. In her case, she felt like, although the reading was good, the far, she wanted it a little bit better. We changed the model lens implant for her second eye, and we used the NV in the second eye. But together, any problems at all?
No, no problems at all.
All right.
Perfect.
Well, you are a gem for sharing your experience. Thank you so much.
You're
all right?
welcome.
All right, thank you.